If he's transferred his shielding forward, what's protecting his stern?
Doesn't matter, he's chasing us.
What's protecting his stern?
Minimal shielding.
You think you can pull off an L4 at this speed?
I can try, sir.
Then look for the densest cloud formation you can find. Captain Archer to all hands. Hold on.
Captain. Looks good to me.
Where are they? Fire. Nice going, Travis.
Hope you don't ask me to do that too often, sir.